His tool might just change the entire image editing game forever. Google just dropped a brand new AI image editor called Nano Banana or Gemini 2.5 Flash Image, and people are losing their minds over it. It's insanely fast, ridiculously accurate, and yep, you can use it completely free. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Nano Banana step by step, so you can replace expensive apps like Photoshop, Canva Pro, or any other paid image editor. And trust me, after this, you'll never look at image editing the same way again. Now, before we start, here's why Nano Banana is blowing up the internet. This isn't just another filter or auto enhance button. It's Google's own AI capable of object replacement, background swaps, color changes, and even ultra-realistic photo manipulation, all in just a few clicks. You type what you want, and the AI makes it happen. No complicated layers, no hours of tweaking, no graphic design degree required. All right, let's dive into the tutorial. Step 1. Go to the official Google AI Studio website. You don't need to sign up for anything complicated, just log in with your Google account. Once you're in, look for the Nano Banana image editing tool, which is Gemini 2.5 Flash Image. That's the tech powering Nano Banana under the hood. For our first user case, let's swap clothing on a person. Imagine you've got a photo of someone in a plain t-shirt, but you want to see them wearing a leather jacket instead. All you do is upload your original image, type in your prompt, something like, replace the t-shirt with a black leather jacket, and hit generate. In seconds, you'll have a brand new image that looks like it came straight from a professional photo shoot. Next example, background replacement. Let's say you've got a selfie in your messy bedroom, but you want it to look like you're standing in front of the Eiffel Tower at sunset. Upload your photo, type, change the background to the Eiffel Tower at golden hour, and Nano Banana will flawlessly blend you into that new scene. No rough edges, no weird lighting, it's like you were actually there. Another killer feature, color manipulation. You can take any object in an image and instantly change its color. Got a red sports car but want to see it in matte black? Just tell Nano Banana, change the color of the car to matte black, and watch it work. This is the kind of stuff that normally takes multiple Photoshop layers and hours of fine-tuning. You might run into daily generation limits, but here's the hack for unlimited usage. Simply close the current chat and create a new one. You will get fresh credits enough to keep generating. Once you get the hang of it, the possibilities are endless. Product mock-ups, profile picture upgrades, surreal art, whatever you can imagine, Nano Banana can bring it to life. And since it's free, you can experiment as much as you want without worrying about subscriptions. So go ahead. Start playing around with it today. And if you create something crazy, funny, or just plain beautiful, drop it in the comments. I want to see what you come up with. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who still pays for image editing software. Trust me, they're going to thank you.